people!
Morning.
How are you? Scarlett is here. Today is the day that I have been waiting for because we are finally going to the beach. I don't know how many months has it been, but this is the first time that we are going to the beach since the pandemic, and I am super excited. So we are gonna take you guys with us. My family are gonna go there. Today is May 1, so it's Labor Day, so it is holiday here in the Philippines, so they do not have work. So this is the best time for us to have some family bonding. I know a lot of you guys has been wanting this video, and yes, I'm super excited. Bingle are coming with us as well, so let's go. We are already, it's currently 10:30 a.m. and we are gonna have an early lunch, I think, on the way there. We are, by the way, going to Pacific Cebu Resort, and it's not my first time to go there, but it's the first time of my family to go there. We're gonna be checking in for one night and treating them this time because, you know, we have been battling the pandemic, and I think we deserve to have some fun time together. I am super excited, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm also quite terrified because this is going to be my first time to drive going to Mactan, which is about 33 kilometers from where our place is. So my mom and her partner is going to ride my mom's motorbike, and here is gonna be Bingle, my sister, my brother-in-law, and Scarlett. We are here in Hombat Heaven. Scarlett is here. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yes. We ordered some food already. We are pretty hungry now. Thank you. We have the home garlic.
Tita Sarah.
Wow. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. We are going to the beach now. We parked right there.
Welcome to Lapu-Lapu City.
We are here! Yay! We found it! Scarlett is awake. She was sleeping the entire time. We've been upgraded.
Bimbo.
We've been upgraded. What's happening? Hello, so we have finally checked in here at Pacific Cebu Resort, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour. My mom and her partner is on the other room. We are here in the middle, and then my sister and my brother-in-law is on the other room as well. So we have 3 rooms here, and they are pretty much the same. So I'm just gonna show you guys what our room looks like. We are in room 508, my favorite number 8. Okay, as you enter on the right side, we have here the cabinet. They got a safe, some hangers, and we have here a cute umbrella. I love the color, it's blue. And here we have some cups for like coffee. We have here some water, little fridge down here. And then on the left side, this is where the toilet and bath. So we have here one sink. They have blower, that's awesome. And you want to say hi, this is a vanity mirror. And then we have here some toothbrush and soap, some towels over here. They also have like a bathtub and the shower, and that's it. So this is how the room looks like. We have a TV. Bengal is eating. Hello. because she was not able to have lunch since we had lunch in Home by Heaven, so we just got a takeout for her, so she's eating now. So we have here twin bed, so this is Bingle's and that's mine, and then it's air conditioned, of course, telephone if we need something in the front desk, and then this is the garden view. We have here table and 2 chairs, and this is the view that we have, guys. It's very sunny today. Because it's super hot. No, I'm not gonna drink there. Bingo will drink beer.
I know I'm not.
Are you not?
Yeah, I'm just gonna drink soda. That's it.
They don't have Red Horse. Mom wants Red Horse.
Yeah.
Wow! What's that, Scarlett? Lemonade. She's already hungry. She's been asking for food. A pear, 1/2, 1/4, 1/4, 1/2. Disappear a pear! Yay!
Bye bye.
Pizza is here. There you go. Wow. Oh, thank you. Sige. Maybe our snacks, and by the way, they have a Red Horse over there. Then we have Hawaiian pizza and all meat pizza. Scarlett, come on, eat. Yes. Ta-da! Ta-da! Winkle! Hi! Come on, let's eat. We're hungry. Bon appetit!
Huh? Mozzarella, okay? Mozzarella.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is that Hawaiian?
Yes.
We have finished with our snacks, and Scarlett has started swimming. She was so excited. The moment we arrived here, she already wanted to go to the beach and swim. Scarlett, smile! Smile! Wow, this is how it looks. It's so inviting. I am going to swim in a few. Scarlett! Scarlett! What are you doing?
Wow, nice.
We are on a search for the bicycle. I was looking into their website and they said they have bicycle. Let's see, where is that? This property is absolutely big. I would have to say, I don't know how many rooms do they have. I think like 100 plus. They have another swimming pool here. This is for the kids, I think. We shall go there and bring Scarlett. Nice. Look at that. This is their second swimming pool. This is for the kids. It's pretty shallow. This is their third swimming pool. This one's like an infinity pool. It's super nice. So we were trying to look for their bike, but because of the pandemic, they were not able to use it. So I think it got rusty. And yeah, it's not conditioned. It's not conditioned anymore. So we cannot do biking today, but that's fine. We are gonna go there in the ocean. We are literally in the swing, like both of us. Let's see if this will hold us. It's nice though. It's very relaxing. I am going to have a night swimming in the infinity pool later on because Kuya said it's nice. Hi! Hi, Scarlett! How are you? Oh, no. Come on, swim. Come on. We are in the kids swimming pool. We're the only ones in here. We are in the kids area. Come on. Wow. Wow.
Si Mama.
Down si Mama. 1, 2, 3, go! Scarlett's so happy today. Whee! Go to Mommy Bingle ka. There! Oy, there! Where? Oh my gosh. She's definitely trying everything. Right, it is currently 5:45 and the sun has set. You guys cannot see it that much, but there's Mommy. We are going to swim here in the infinity pool. It looks so pretty with the orange colors. Swimming now here in the infinity pool, and it's so nice because the water is warm. Mommy is afraid to go in the deep level because it is quite deep. So we are just chilling here in the, I think this is like 2 feet. We're gonna transfer to the other pool because she couldn't swim here. So nice beholding the sunset. Look at the sunset. Mommy is so biased. She didn't even swim. I was thinking you like 10 minutes to do that. We just finished swimming with Mom. And I showered already. I'm here in the bathroom because the lighting is so lit. We are gonna go now and have some dinner. It is 7 p.m. right now. Bye, guys.
Hello, guys. Mama, let's go. Let's go, Tita.
And this is the vibe at night. I love their entrance. Look at this. It looks so pretty. The lighting is yellow and it does look so good at night. Though in the camera it looks so white, but it's yellow in person. Hello. Let's go to the restaurant this way. Our food has arrived. We have the squid over here. We have some bihon. We have some. We're just gonna wait for fried chicken.
Right? Busy pa si Kuya. Ano si Kuya ng?
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
We're still eating. Well, Bingle is still eating. We are so full right now. I just love this cucumber.
Yeah. But we had a while ago. We had lemon.
Ah, yeah, we had lemonade.
Lemonade.
But this one is so refreshing.
Chicken skin.
Bingle is still eating chicken skin.
We need 1 bottle of beer.
Do you want beer?
No.
We have in the fridge 6 liters.
Oh my god. Who's the culprit? Sorry.
Mom.
The mommy.
It's actually dark, but it's so nice. We are here in this little hut and they are drinking some Red Horse, and here we found a sea snake. Can you see it? Look at that. Yeah. Right, we're still here in the middle of the sea. We're just chilling. Scarlett and my sister is in the room because Scarlett is sleeping already. So me and Finkel are gonna try to do a song association. We're in. Whatever will be the last word lyric that I'm going to sing, she has to like continue singing with a different song, but it has to start with that word. Okay.
And vice versa.
Yeah. You guys get it? Anyway, okay, let's do it. Let's start with me. Happy to let you know you make me glow. I'm glowing. It's wrong. What the fudge? Okay, sorry, take two. Oh my gosh, what was that? Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you.
You are the one that makes me happy.
Happy to let you know you make me glow.
Glowing inside will be your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the rain, ready to start again? Why is that so difficult?
Pass.
Pass. Okay, we're gonna do a different one. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world.
World, top of the world, looking
Yeah.
down on creations, and the only explanations I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me on the top of the world. I'm on
The impossible dream to fight the unreachable foe, to run with sorrow, to dream,
dreaming.
Alright guys,
guys.
the battery's blinking. That means we have to sign off today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am also gonna vlog tomorrow because we have one last moments here in Pacific Cebu Resort.
Yeah.
So we are gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!
Bye-bye. Good night.